An entity relationship diagram, or ERA diagram, is a database design tool that graphically displays the structure and relationships of data. For beginners, understanding ERA diagrams is the first step to mastering database design. Let's learn how to draw an ERA diagram. First, go to the Process on File page and create an ERA diagram to identify the entities you want to include in your database. They should represent distinguishable objects in the real world and are typically represented by rectangles in a diagram. For example, if we're going to draw an ERA diagram for a file management system, the entities are files, departments, and employees. For each entity, identify attributes to describe its characteristics. Attributes are typically represented by ovals in a diagram. Next, complete the attributes for files, departments, and employees. Then, connect the entities and attributes. Next, identify the relationships between the entities and describe their associations. Relationships are represented by diamonds. Employees own files. Employees belong to departments, and files are authorized by departments. Select the entity or attribute elements and connect them with lines. Indicate the relationship type. Next to the line, one-to-many, and many-to-many relationships between employees and files, employees and departments, and files and departments respectively. After drawing, you can select entities, attributes, and other elements, and set their colors in the top two board to improve the readability of the ERA diagram. After reading the above tutorial, have you learned how to draw an ERA diagram? Go ahead and try it out.